automation leaders collaborating with the other members of their teams in their domain, the other subject matter experts to identify and map the processes that need to be automated. Right. In this case, we're using a domain that spans departments. Quote to cash is a common business process and includes activities that are performed by sales teams and finance teams. So the business teams then are going to analyze these processes, identify what are the bottlenecks, where are areas that require human interaction that shouldn't be, where are there very resource intensive or repetitive tasks that aren't adding values, and where are areas where accurate and timely data are needed and don't exist right now. And it's because they're going to know this better, versus hiring a business analyst who's asking questionnaires, who doesn't really know what this is and is acting in a very abstract way. We're giving the people who are part of the process, who live the process, the tools to define these things.
Mm-hmm.
Then
so
they're going to
critical.
define, then we're going to define the technology landscape that supports that process, right? What are the core technologies that are driving this? And the first part is for the automation leaders to identify and document those systems. In our quote to cash example, right, the process is anchored by what we call the hub systems, the CRM and the ERP systems. But additional systems are providing required functionality. There's opportunity management, CPQ, contract management, subscription and payment management, shipping and fulfillment. And all of those are part of that technology landscape supporting that process. But it doesn't stop there, right? Because now there's going to be additional systems from other domains that provide data, or less likely process here. Here it's more, what is data that's required from those other domains that are needed to support that automation, or need, data is needed to, or conversely, what systems are going to need data produced by this process, right? So commonly, quote to cash requires data from marketing automation domain, from the customer success domain, certainly when it comes time for provisioning from the product management domains. Output from this process, right, has to go in reporting analytics. This is where finance and leadership is going to make decisions based on a lot of things that go on in this core process. So this is now the technology landscape. This is what in a perfect world is totally going to be integrated.
Yeah.
But now it's time to say, okay, how are we going to prioritize? How are we going to build a roadmap to get to that point where we've got all of this done? And that's got to be based on value.